Hello viewers, and today for you I have another eBay purchase. This is a lot of foreign world coins, 12 coins in total from the 1800s, and I paid approximately $18.83. So let's see what we got here. Let's open it up. It opened up surprisingly well. What do we got here? Well, these should all be in coin flips. That's it. Okay, I have all the coins laid out that were in this set. And there's some pretty nice and valuable ones that were in this set. Especially these first two here from Upper Canada and this Ireland Hibernia coin. The Upper Canada coin's worth $29. I think that's pretty accurate. The Ireland coin is probably worth about that, maybe a little bit more. So the very first coin we have in the upper left is in Upper Canada, 1857 penny token. This is actually before Canada was a country. They were just a part of Britain, so they were Upper Canada. Next coin over we have is an Ireland halfpenny from 1805. Next one is an Australia 1981 50-cent piece. The next one is an Australia 1975 50-cent piece. Then going down to the next row right here, we have a Great Britain farthing from 1927, another Great Britain farthing from 1928, a Great Britain farthing from 1932, and then we have a Hong Kong 1961 dollar coin. And the third and final row right here, we have an Indian 2 rupees from 1995, an Austria 10 shilling from 1974, and an Austria 1994 20 shilling. And the final coin there is a Spain 100 pesetas 1993 coin. Now here are the other sides of the coins flipped over. Some of them are the obverse, some are the reverse of the coin. But just to give you a view of what the backside looks like. I especially like this one right here, the Austria 20 shilling. That's a very nice coin. So these coins, these three right here, are the reason I primarily bought this lot of coins. I do have an Upper Canada penny, but it's not in that good a condition. That's really nice. And probably very close to the actual value there at $29. Might be actually a little bit more than that. And then I don't have any Ireland half pennies from 1805, so that's a really nice find as well. And that's probably worth about $23 now. And also I don't have any of the Austria 20 shilling coins from 1994. And as I said before, I really like the pattern that they have on the back there. That's a very nice coin, very well designed coin. So I will give you a list of the total of what the value of all the coins were in the next frame here. So if you like these videos, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.